Today we're exploring the Magento 2 multi-step vendor product creation extension, which enables a step-by-step product creation process for vendors. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our Magento 2 admin panel, and we have successfully logged in as an admin. To enable the module, go to Stores, then open Configuration. Here, select Yes to enable the module, and click Save Config to save the configuration. Now let's move to the Seller dashboard. To create a product, click on the New Product option, select the product type, and click the Continue button. As you can see, the product creation process is divided into multiple steps. Here, we select the categories, enter the product name and SKU, add the description, scroll down to enter the weight, and then upload the product image. Then click on the Proceed button and fill in the price details. You can also enter the special price along with the special price from and to dates. Once all the details are filled in properly, click the Proceed button again. Here, enter the stock details, then select the visibility group and tax class. Click the Proceed button again. Now you're on the SEO details section, where you can enter the URL key for SEO or leave it blank to be generated automatically. Click the Proceed button once more to move to the Related Products page, where you can select the related products. In the next option, you can select the Upsell and Cross-Sell products. Finally, click on the Save button. We receive a success message confirming that the product has been successfully saved. To view the product, go to the My Product List option and click on the product hyperlink. As you can see, all the added details are displayed on the product description page. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.